So I've been trying to remember where my raincoat was, and all of a sudden it just occurred to me. It's out here, hanging on that outboard Johnson motor right there. That's where it was. So I'm gonna grab that and put it on. I just decided it's too nice a day for me to be not spreading this gravel around. I'll show y'all over here where I've been driving over it with a lawnmower, and you notice it's kind of, them stones are kind of sinking down deep into the ground there. Honey baby wants grass there. I think I'll get my trailer over there and my little tractor and run around the house and start filling that trailer up with gravel and bringing it back and dumping it around in the high spots or the low spots right in that area. And maybe I'll dump a little bit up the hill there outside that gate, and then if my back don't give out first, maybe I'll spread some gravel around in there in my garage. Let me shut up and put my raincoat on. Alrighty then, I got my John Deere running, but I had a heck of a time getting it to start, even after I put gas in it. And it's got me wondering if, I know that thing's got like a safety device on the brake pedal. You have to mash the brake pedal or it won't fire. And I'm wondering if that safety device isn't, I don't know, not making contact all the time. Like it wouldn't crank, it wouldn't crank, it wouldn't crank, it wouldn't crank. And then all of a sudden I got on it, it fired right up. And of course every time I get on I mash that pedal. And I'm wondering if mashing that pedal is not making contact. I have. It's fairly common for me to disconnect all the safety devices off of these things to get them to run right, because they ain't nothing but a waste and something that'll cause you to have to do what I just did and monkey around with it for a long time to get them to run. And I like my stuff to crank and run when I want it to, not when it feels like it. So that might be something I put on my list, something I have to fix up. But we'll get that later. I'm gonna grab my shovel and see if I can get a little work out of myself today. Alrighty then, I give up on that. I just figured out a real good reason why it might not be a good idea to try to do this today. I got the lawnmower just about outside the gate and it was stuck. Couldn't get up that hill. You know, there's some days when it just don't pay to fight with it. I'll let her sit there till it dries out, and then we'll spread some more rocks then. Oh well.